Bon appetit! It's time to awaken your taste buds, and one of the ways to do that is to make this very tasty and delicious Asun rice. The ingredients needed making this rice are rice, of course, vegetable oil, goat's meat, onions, shombo, tatashe, pepper. I'm making use of yellow pepper due to the flavor it gives. I'm also making use of bell pepper, the yellow, red, and green, and also lemon. As we proceed, I will show what lemon is meant for. For my aromatics and spices, I'm using Italian spices, ground sage, coriander, oregano, salt, seasoning cube, and curry. So let's get started. Wash the goat's meat. I'm using the lemon in washing the goat's meat. This is to help reduce the gamey smell from the meat and also to help neutralize the odor of the meat. Wash properly. Add the meat to pots, adding chopped garlic, ginger, and onions. Season with spices. Mix together well. Cover and leave to cook until the meat extracts its own stock. Then add water and cook the meat until soft and tender. You might not need to add water. At times, the water the meat extracts might be enough to cook the meat. Mine didn't need any addition of water. My meat is already soft and tender.
So after 40 minutes, our meat is soft. So the next thing we're going to do is to dice this up.
Scoop the meat and cut into 2 or 3. The next is to grill or fry the meat. You can use the oven, grilling machine, or air fryer to grill your meat. Well, I'm using the air fryer to grill mine. As the meat is doing a steam, let's prep for other ingredients. Wash the pepper, tatashe, shombo, and onions. Place in the blender and blend roughly. Chop onions, garlic, and ginger. Wash the rice properly and drain out to remove excess water. In a saucepan, heat up some oil, saute onions, garlic, and ginger. Add in the pepper mix, stir well. Adding your spices, stir well. Add in the washed rice, mix very well. Add in the mixed stock, stir and cover up. Cook until rice is soft. Check at interval and add water if needed. Add the cooked rice. Mix this together very well until everything is well combined. So take this to another level, garnish with spring onions and parsley. Guess what?
Our delicious Asun rice is ready. Bon appetit. Au revoir.